अरे भाई इतना आगे मत लेना यार, मैं और आगे चला जाऊंगा। चलो
सेकंड ग्रुप कर रहे हैं, सबका हो गया।
Joining us here on this very special occasion is a very special lady, Miss Sonam Kapoor.
Hi everybody. I'm so happy to be here. I'm really happy to be here, and I see all these young people over here and I'm like, oh my god, look at the energy that y'all have. This is insane. Amazing. This is amazing. So like father was trying to tell you, I'm come here to honor this amazing young woman who I've had the honor of playing. Her name was Neerja Bhanot. And she was a student like y'all. She was only 23 years old when she decided that she wanted to be an air hostess and see the world. And she took her duty of being an air hostess very seriously. So the day she decided that she's going to become a head person, the first day she became a head person, hi! So young girls, you need to hear this more. She was 23 years old when she decided that she has to do her duty when her plane got hijacked. And instead of saving herself first, she opened the emergency door and she could have gone down first and she could have saved herself. She said, I have to do my duty and I have to save everybody else first. And she did that. Basically, what I'm trying to say is that she was an ordinary girl, an ordinary young person like you and like me. But because she said that there is something inside of me which wants to be the best, and I want to show what's the best in me, the best as a human being, her character and her principles made her decide that she has to save these people, and that's when she became a hero. So anybody who is ordinary can be extraordinary, right? And that is what I'm trying to tell you all, that all of y'all can be a hero. Every one of y'all can be a hero. Every one of y'all can showcase the best that is in you. Help people. Help yourself. Try to be the best you can. Because there is a hero in all of y'all, and face fear. So I'm happy to come and inspire you guys through Neerja Bhanot, because I'm just an actress. But she was a hero. I'm just playing to be a hero. But hopefully she has inspired me to become a real life hero as well. And I hope that you get inspired to do that as well. We can't see you. We can't see you. Okay. Should I come there?
Students from Canossa High School, rest assured, Miss Sonam Kapoor will definitely come and spend time.
I'm going to come there. 1 minute. Is there somebody who can come with me? Yeah. I'll go with father. 1 second.
Anushka Canossa is going to speak to us. Please keep.
What is fear? question has tortured humanity for ages.
अरे तेरा ये एलसीडी देख रहा है, थोड़ा उधर ले, ट्राइपॉड इधर आ गया तेरा, पता है अभी ऐसे मोड़ दूंगा टूट जाएगा तेरा ट्राइपॉड।
Can a person be totally fearless?
उधर से इधर आ गए कसका के।
No. According to me, it is impossible. Cause fear has shaped humanity, and it has brought civilization to what it is today. Most people take their fears as
ये रतन,
weaknesses.
बस थोड़ा हाइट कम करो,
Through my
पीछे
experience,
ले लेना।
I have learned that we must take our
पीछे ले ले
fears
थोड़ा।
and work towards it and conquer them. As I was a child, I suffered stage fear. But I always adored the way my sister spoke, her expressions, the way she stood, everything. One day, I went up to her and I asked her, Didi, how do you do it? How is it that when you speak in front of a huge audience, you don't shiver? She told me a very simple thing. She said, never let fear define your abilities. At that point, I didn't even understand what it meant. Out of sheer curiosity, I took part in an education competition. And then, the time came. I practiced my speech very well. I knew it. I could do it.
मैं अभी 5 मिनट पहुंच।
Then, I found myself on center stage.
ओके ओके।
I,
5 मिनट।
oh my god, I was nervous. So my voice froze. I was scared. Then, the words that my sister spoke to me, I remembered. Am I going to let fear control who I am? Never. I am never going to let fear control who I am. That's how I overcome my fear. Now, my fear is my strength. What about you?
I was amazed that she could speak like that. But the one who amazed me more, when you get these very pretty actresses, you don't think that they also would be able to speak the way Sonam did. I thought she'd have a paper and read from it. This was from her heart and spoken so eloquently. I'm amazed. Congratulations, Sonam. Thank you so much.
Thank you. And I want to tell you something else. I am very afraid of public speaking as well, just like this little girl. But I also took part in an elocution competition when I was in school. I remember I was in Red House and I was representing my house. And I was very, very afraid. I remember I went and threw up in the bathroom and I started crying and everything. And then I went out there and I faced my fear and I won the gold medal. Because I just faced my fear. So everybody is just about facing your fear. And aankhein milayengi dar se, correct? Yes? Yes. So face your fear, and if you can, go and watch my film on the 19th of February because Neerja will inspire you guys. It's a film that you can get inspired. I remember when I was in school, the faculty used to take us to films which will inspire us. This is a you film.
आज आप स्पेशली इनॉग्रेशन के लिए आए, इसके बारे में बताइए, क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
नीरजा भनोट जो है वो एक इंस्पिरेशन है
और 30 साल पहले वो बहुत फेमस हो गई थी और हमारी यही कोशिश है कि नीरजा एक इंस्पिरेशन वापस हो जाए यंग पीपल के लिए, क्योंकि हमने जो फिल्म बनाई है वो यंग लोगों के लिए है. It's to inspire the future of India, to say that we can all be heroes, and I'm so glad that Xavier has given us this opportunity and has given her this amazing honor of being always on the walls of the school. So I'm very, very happy to be here.
सोनम, एक सवाल और कि बहुत यूनिक प्रमोशनल स्ट्रैटेजी है क्योंकि आप चंडीगढ़ भी गई थी अवार्ड देने के लिए, इनॉग्रेशन कर रही है, तो बहुत यूनिक फिल्म की तरह ही हटके है प्रमोशनल.
I don't know hatke, but we're trying to do it with as much dignity as possible. We're trying to give her more dignity and say कि this film is for Neerja Bhanot. हम ये फिल्म एक we are not trying to sell this film, we're trying to inspire people with this film, and we wanted our promotional strategy also to be that, to inspire young people. That's why we're going to colleges, that's why we're speaking about brave people, and that's why honoring everybody else. मैं अपने बारे में बहुत बात करती हूँ, बहुत सारी फिल्म्स में मैंने बात की है, but now it's important to talk about Neerja and the values that she stood for. And I think a lot of people are understanding that and seeing that, and I hope everybody also recognizes what we're trying to do with this film. And I'm very happy that Foxstar has decided to do this marketing this way, because it's unconventional, like you said, and we don't know how it's going to get translated, but we're trying to do something new and something different, so that it's about her as opposed to us just selling a movie.
नीरजा से एक इंस्पिरेशन जो आपने ली हो
कि हम सब में एक हीरो है. ये एक मामूली लड़की थी, पर she did her duty, she understood what is the best part of her, and she kind of explored that and used that, and she saved 359 lives. So the best part about Neerja is that it doesn't matter if you're ordinary. If you do what you think is the best thing to do for other people and you're selfless about it, anybody can be a hero, and anybody can be a hero, and anybody can be extraordinary. Thank you so much.
सेकंड